Our topic for today is market feasibility study. As an entrepreneur, you're supposed to do what we call an evaluation and an analysis of the business that you want to venture into. A market feasibility study is the evaluation of an opportunity, depending whether it's a service, it's a consumer product, or it's any type of a product that you want to venture into. So you need to ask yourself different questions. Where are you going to do your business? Who is your target population? Is this business having a potential to be successful, or it might fail? So in this market feasibility study, you can then tell whether your business is going to be successful, or also you can actually tell the challenges that you might face along the way. There are 4 components that are there in the market feasibility study, which is number 1, the market information, number 2, the product description, number 3, the market position, and then number 4, the SWOT and the competitive analysis. These are the components that you are supposed to ask yourself before you venture into your business. Let's look at component number 1, the market information. The market information, in this case, you actually look at the information on your customers. Who are the people that you want to sell your product to? Is it the males, the females? Is it the students, or is it only the kids? When you have that information, you can actually then work around with your business and make sure that it fits the kind of the population or the kind of the customers that you are going to be working with. So for you to know the market information, you can actually use interviews. You can use closed interviews, or you can use more open interviews. And then you can actually use questionnaires, you can use experiments, depending on the kind of a product that you are actually using. You are supposed to also know the advantages of using different types of interviews that you are going to use. On the market information, you can also look at the social media, look at the market trends that are there, then you are able to grasp and know the market information that you are doing on your product. Then component number 2 is the product description. In this case, your product is supposed to be clear on what kind of a product it is. It can either be an industrial product, it can be a consumer product, you can also be a service. When you are talking about services, you're also talking about, probably if you want to start maybe an insurance company, then you know how you are going to describe your service. And if it's just a consumer, probably maybe if you want to open a coffee shop, then you should have all the information that you need to know on your product description. You are supposed to know the packaging that you are going to use that will then make it different to other people who are also maybe in the same business as you are. I'll pose a question to you, looking at someone who's actually saying maybe fast foods. What will you prefer? If you are buying it maybe from KFC, will you prefer it being given you in a box or in a plastic, or you prefer it being given in maybe in a Tupperware? Then you will tell the description which one will work. Then you'll look around with the people on what the packaging they are using. Then you can also come up with your own packaging. And then component number 3 is the market position. When you are starting a business, make sure that you ask yourself this question: where, what, how, and who. This will help you come up with your clear market position. In this case, you need to know the location or the geographical location of your business. Will people be able to access it? Will it be available for everyone? Those are the questions that you need to ask yourself. And then you also have to ask, who is going to manage to get to a place where you're going to have your business. It is necessary as an entrepreneur to know the market position. So you need to know the geographic position, the demographic, the behavioral, and the psychographic, so that you can actually answer these 4 questions that I talked about. Then on your business, you're supposed also to look at the strengths, the weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threats of your business. You need to know, why is your business better than the other person? In this case, you're actually looking at the advantages of your business. These are the strengths. And then also look at the weaknesses. Each and every business actually has its own business. It has its own weaknesses. So you need to look at the weaknesses. And also the opportunities that are there in that business. The other things that make your business better than the other one. And also you have to look at the threats that are there in your business. We can call it a day. Thank you.